Hey, what's going on, you guys? In my defense, that bottle opener was super dull, so that's why I had such a hard time opening this. Welcome to Moto Mango. Cheers.
1, 2, 3, go!
So the plan for today is to get this new brake line on my bike. Should be probably a pretty short video because this is all I'm doing. I'm just replacing the brake hose, but figured I'd make a video and show you guys. So I'll show you why I'm replacing my brake hose, so you'll see here in a second. So yeah, hopefully you can see this. It's just my old brake hose is too long. I replaced my handlebars with clip-on vortex bars, and I've lowered my front end, so it's everything's a lot lower. So you can see right here that my brake line is sticking out, and it should be tucked away behind this bracket here. So that new line I got, I think, is like 8 inches shorter or something. So I'll be able to, you know, connect it here and tuck it here behind the headlight, and then back underneath here. So should look a lot neater and nice. So that's the plan. The hose disconnected. I'm going to actually drain the fluid before I unhook the hose to the master cylinder. Don't want getting brake fluid everywhere. Okay, I got the hose off, and I got these brackets off of the hose, which was a huge pain in the arse, but now all I got to do is install these back on the bike and then put on the new hose, which should be pretty simple. So let's do that. Alright, I got the new brake hose on and it's looking great. That's going to do it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. People have been commenting and asking for help, or just giving me like constructive criticism or just compliments, and it's been awesome, guys. Keep it up. Stay tuned for the next vid. Cheers.